Hi there, students. Rococo. Rococo, an adjective. Okay, Rococo, the basic meaning refers to a style of architecture or building or art or furniture or even music that was very popular in Europe in the 18th century. It's very, very decorated. It's got lots of detail. Something that's Rococo, it's normally got curves and scrolls and gold and white with moulding and maybe with angels or leaves or animals or different things like that going over it. Very often as well, a Rococo building will have a trompe l'oeil, a trompe l'oeil ceiling. So a trompe l'oeil, a trick of the eye. This is something that's painted that looks like a three-dimensional space. So the ceiling of a room could have the sky painted on it and angels flying in that sky. That would be very Rococo. People also refer to this as late Baroque. Now, I think also we use Rococo to say that something is very ornate. It's got lots and lots of decoration. I think usually it's used in a negative way. It's saying that something is just too decorated, too detailed. So there is an actual definition of Rococo, a particular style, a style from the Baroque, or Rococo. So the way he speaks is just so Rococo. He's just adding curly decorations, if you like, to his speech. So it's saying something that's excessively ornate, excessively decorated, excessively intricate. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's over elaborate, it's over complicated. So I think good poetry is something that conveys its meaning. It uses interesting words, but it doesn't become Rococo. It doesn't become over decorated, just decoration everywhere. Well, there are people who like Rococo things. I think you might even call somebody's character Rococo. Yeah, that they're just very extroverted and everything is elaborate and complicated, and for them nothing is simple. Okay, so Rococo, architecture which has got ornamentation, it's got scrolls and curves, yeah, and different motifs, maybe with leaves, with animals, with angels, with fruit, with bunches of flowers and things like that. Okay, so this is the idea of Rococo. So do you like Rococo things? You can also use this for music, and there was a Rococo style of music where it's got lots of different sounds and lots of different instruments, but it comes from the same period as well. So Rococo, yeah, the decoration is so Rococo that it drives me mad. Formality. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality, maybe 5.5. I think you could probably just about use it anywhere, although it's a bit on the formal side. And then as to origin, it comes from rocaille and barocco, which is French. Yeah, it's a style of rock. Yeah, and this was invented by Pierre Maurice Guess. And this word is the late 18th century. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope my explanation wasn't too Rococo. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rococo.